Hello everyone, welcome to new session of pharmacodynamics. This is Mrs. Shaheen Pathan. Today we are going to discuss factors modifying drug action. On completion of this session, you would be able to know factors modifying drug action. First factor that modify the drug action is body weight. Changes in body weight can influence the amount of medicine you need to take and how long it stays in your body. The average dose is specified in terms of total single dose for adults weighing between 50 to 100 kg. But this dose may be ineffective in obese persons. In case of malnourished patients, it should be kept in mind that nutritional factors also affect drug action and drug metabolism. Second factor that modifies the drug action is age. As we age, changes in our body can affect the way medications are absorbed and utilized. Dose of drug varies with age. Generally, children, infants and old peoples require comparatively smaller dose than adult dose. Some drugs like belladonna and digitalis are tolerated in higher dose than adult in children. Some drugs like chloramphenicol, barbiturate, salicylates are metabolized by children slowly. So these drugs should be prescribed to infants and children in smaller dose than adult dose. Old patients also require smaller dose as compared to adult dose, and the reason is that less rate of metabolism. Third factor is sex. Dose of drug varies with sex. Generally, female require small dose than male. The special care should be taken in prescribing dose of drug for female in following conditions. First condition is menstruation. During menstruation, drug producing pelvic congestion and abdominal pain. For example, catharatics should not be given to lady under menstruation period. Second condition is pregnancy. In pregnancy, drugs which produces uterine muscle contraction like ergometrine should not be given. It leads to abortion. Some drugs are capable to cross placenta and enters in fetal circulation and produces toxic effect on fetus. Example, morphine. Morphine depresses fetal respiration and leads to toxic effect on fetus. Fourth factor is route of administration. Dose of some drugs varies with route of administration. The degree of absorption and bioavailability of dosage form depends on route of administration. So, oral route has more dose for same drug than intravenous route. Next factor is time of administration. Medicines are generally taken after meal to avoid gastric irritation. But administration of drug with food delays the rate of absorption and onset of drug action. Certain drugs are given in empty stomach to produce more effective pharmacological action. Remaining factors we will discuss in our next session. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you and have a nice day.